Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mami Nova, and today I'm going to share with you a very quick and easy jollof rice recipe. So I have in there cooking oil, slide onions. You can slide it to any shape and size that you want, and then bay leaves. These are bay leaves. So I've got 3 bay leaves in there, 1 medium onion chopped, nice chopped, and that's it. So I will leave it to cook for about a minute or 2, and then add in my tomato. This is a very easy and quick recipe. You can try out that. I will add about a teaspoon of curry. I'll add my tomato puree, just about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the tomato puree. So I'll add in my tomato passata. So next I'll be adding in powdered pepper. You add according to how you really like it or hot. Then give it a quick stir. If you prefer less pepper, you can just add just a little bit. And I'll add in the 10 spice blend from African Village Kitchen. This is so nice. It smells really good, and you can call them on this number and order yours. I've been using it a lot in my cooking and I really love it. That's got nice ingredients in there. It's basically, this one is the for jollof and other things that you want to cook, and it's a Ghanaian made, based in the UK, so kindly order yours. And I'm going to add like a teaspoon of the spice in there, so get a close look. So that's a 10 spice blend. Now add in 1 Maggi. That's 1 Maggi tablet. So I'll add in star anise. You can choose to not add it, but I like the fragrance of star anise in my jollof rice. I'll add my ginger. So just about half a teaspoon of ginger powder and half a teaspoon of paprika. So this is my paprika. I'll give it a quick stir and then cover it with a lid. Yes, so before I cover it with a lid, I'll add in a bit of garlic powder. Yes, that's my garlic powder. Some do call it garlic granules. And that's it. And I'll add just a little bit of pinch of salt according to the taste I really want. And leave it to cook. Leave it for now to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, now it's a bit to simmer a bit, so I'll add in my washed rice. And then stir it. I'll add in just about, let's say, teaspoon and a half of salt and stir it. So what I will do now is cover it with a lid and leave it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. add water to it. So after about 2 minutes, I let the stew soak in the rice well to give it a beautiful color. I'll add in water, stir it and cover it with a lid and leave it to cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. So I'll give it a stir. So that's probably after 5 to 6 minutes now. I'll give it a stir and cover it with a baking paper, or some do call it parchment paper, for it to cook, finish its cooking process. I don't know, jollof not done, because you don't need any blender. Here blended, yeah, it's very jollof. You don't need any blender. So I'll cover it up with the parchment paper. I just squeeze the parchment paper up so that it will be easy for me to press it in. Yeah, kind of, and then cover it with a lid and leave it to cook. So now this has been cooking for about 10 to 12 minutes